So I am Florence Thepot. I am a lecturer in law at the University of Strasbourg, and I just moderated a panel on private equity and merger control. So we looked at the business model of private equity and tried to understand why there is recent attention by the competition authorities on private equity transactions. So we had an economist from CRA, Muat Masri, who explained us the business model of private equity and the pros and cons of these investment activities. We also had Anna Zanaki from University of Leeds, who provided us an overview of the policy debate and the framework of where do we stand, what are the tools in the EU and the US. Then we had Tim Gear from the CMA, who provided us with an overview, enforcer's perspective on the question. So in the CMA, private equity deals are reviewed in the same way as any other transactions, but may involve quite sensitive sectors. Finally, we had Jennifer Story from Clifford Chance, who provided us with a practical view on a client perspective on private equity, and she tried to say that private equity does not bring unique challenges, and maybe there is a misunderstanding about what it is about, and that indeed we have the tools to address potential issues. So also she tried to explain that in practice it would be quite complicated for private equity managers to really achieve a reduction of competition, because it's not really what their agenda is about. So we had a very interesting discussion discussing potential issues raised by private equity and whether these brings unique challenges. And also we touched upon the wider social concerns about these and whether antitrust authorities should be doing something about it. Also we spoke about the issue of board appointments in the context of private equity transactions and see whether there are tools to remedy potential concerns or not. So we looked at the US and the EU. So all in all, a very interesting and fascinating discussion on private equity and merger control.